Okay, so I need to be careful about how I talk into this system. It seems to have a very low volume, so let me try this. I'm going to try to record this course on Introduction to the Blue Ocean. The book is called Essentials of Oceanography by Trujillo and Thurman. Has a lot of web links inside, and it is the 11th edition that I'm showing here, but there is also the 12th edition, maybe later editions, but the newer editions don't have that many new things. The fundamentals remain the same. And this course is mostly for people who are trying to come into, the climate field, oceanography, hydrology, earth system science, courses like resource engineering and so on. So the physical, biological, chemical oceanography is introduced. I don't get much into mathematical dynamics, which I will do in a separate course. So here it's all introduction to the concepts, how oceans originated, some history, properties of water, basics of atmospheric circulation that forces the oceans, basics of the ocean circulation that responds to the atmospheric forcing, profiles of nutrients and temperature, salinity, and so on, and distributions of these properties, primary production, their seasonal variability, some biological responses, and we'll end with a little bit of an introduction to how global warming is affecting the oceans. But again, we won't get into a lot of details on that because we'll have separate courses on Earth system science, which will introduce the details of how the ocean is responding in physical, biological, and chemical oceanography because of anthropogenic forcing, CO2 invasion into the ocean, heat uptake by the ocean, and so on. So this is just the introduction for a few minutes. I will do the course as modules, so I will kind of try to go slide by slide as a separate recording, or sometimes a few slides together, but try to keep each lecture to about 5 to 10 minutes so you can just flip back and forth to try to understand the concepts better for yourself. And I'll sequence them chapter by chapter, and they will have timestamps so you know that which one comes first, but you can always choose as you want based on the topic. See you in a little bit in the next slide then.